Good morning students. Today I am going to explain introduction of triangles and its properties. So first of all, triangle. A triangle is a simple closed curve made of three line segment. Closed curve made of three line segment where AB, BC and CA, three line segments, and three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Angle A, angle B and angle C. Now types of triangles. Types of triangles. So on the basis of side and on the basis of angles. On the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. On the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. On the basis of side, first is scalene triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. Next, equilateral triangle. And on the basis of angle, acute angle triangle, acute angle triangle. Second, right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So what is scalene triangle? Scalene triangle, if all the sides of triangle are unequal, then it is called a scalene triangle. Three sides are unequal. Suppose in triangle ABC, AB not equal to BC, not equal to CA, means all sides are different, then it is called scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal. A, B and C, in which any two sides of triangle are equal. Here AB is equal to AC. Next one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means A, B, C. If all the three sides of a triangle are equal, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, it is called an equilateral triangle. Next one, acute angle triangle. On the basis of angle, first one is acute angle triangle. A, B, C. On the basis of angle, angle A, angle B and angle C. So if all the three angles of a triangle are acute, it is called an acute angle triangle. Second one is right angle triangle. A, B and C. Here angle B 90 degree. So right angle triangle, if one angle of a triangle is right angled, it is called a right angle triangle. obtuse angle triangle, angle A, B and C. If one angle of a triangle is obtuse, it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Next topic, median of a triangle. So the line segment joining a vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Vertex to the midpoint of opposite side. Opposite side is BC, opposite side of angle A or vertex A. Opposite side BC. So midpoint of BC, suppose D. So line segment joining the vertex of a triangle to midpoint of opposite side is called median. So vertex B, opposite side AC, midpoint E. So BE, median. Same vertex C, opposite of vertex C, opposite side AB, midpoint F. So line segment joining vertex to midpoint of opposite sides. So a triangle has 3 medians. कितने medians होंगे? 3 medians. Next topic is altitude. Altitude of a triangle. The perpendicular line segment from a vertex of a triangle to the opposite side is called an altitude. Vertex and opposite side BC. So draw perpendicular from A to BC. Perpendicular 90, exact 90 degree. Then called altitude. Same 3 altitudes. Triangle has 3 altitudes. Exact 90 degree by measurement 90 and 90 डिग्री मीन्स परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे तब होगा एल्टीट्यूड एंड ज्वाइन करेंगे मीड पॉइंट को, देन कॉल्ड मीडियन. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल, वन बाय वन प्रॉपर्टीज देखेंगे. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी. व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल? सपोज ट्राइंगल ए बी सी, 3 साइड्स है. 3 साइड्स में से किसी भी एक साइड को आप एक्सटेंड करेंगे, एक्सटेंड वन साइड, देन दिस एंगल कॉल्ड एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी, एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड एडजेसेंट इंटीरियर एंगल. दिस वन इज एडजेसेंट इंटीरियर एंगल. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्लस एडजेसेंट इंटीरियर एंगल, सम इज 180 डिग्री. So exterior angle, adjacent interior angle, adjacent exterior angle plus interior angle adjacent is equal to 180 degree. इनका sum 180 degree होगा. And the second property, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Suppose this one is exterior angle, then opposite interior angle, angle A and angle B are opposite interior angle, and angle C here ACB is adjacent interior angle. So exterior angle is sum of opposite interior angles. Next property, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property, sum of all angle A, B, C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree, is called angle sum property of triangle. Next, in a triangle the angle opposite equal sides are equal. In triangle ABC, A, B, C. Suppose AB and AC. AB is equal to AC given. Then opposite angle. Opposite angle means AB, side AB. Opposite angle of side AB is angle C. And opposite angle of side AC is angle B. That means angle B is equal to angle C. And converse is also true. That means suppose given angle B is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to given angle C, that means angles B, opposite side of angle B AC and opposite side of angle C AB. AB is equal to AC. Next property, in an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Each angle is 60 degree. 60, 60 and 60. Converse is also true if in a triangle all the three angles are given 60 degree. Suppose आपको 60 degree given है angles, that means ये क्या है, equilateral triangle है. Next property, the sum of any two side of triangle is greater than the third side. A, B and C. A, suppose side B and side C. So A plus B is greater than C. B plus C is greater than A. C plus A is greater than B. That means sum of any two side is greater than of third side. Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. In a right angle triangle A, B, C is right angle triangle. Side opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So in a right angle triangle the sum of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Hypotenuse h square is equal to p square plus b square, or we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square.